Hey guys, today's video is about starting a fire, and one of my friends got me this bag of tinder. It's called Dragon Fire Tinder Box, and I'm gonna put this in this little pocket like that, and then seal this up. He also got me this thing by Lord and Field. So you pull this off, pull this out. I'll put it in my pocket, and then it's flint and steel. And it has like wood hand, like some type of rubber or plastic handle. I'll do a big old fireball for you. Hold up. Let's see how this works. Just get adjusted here. Ooh. Oh, that's it. Starting to burn. Yeah. This is actually my first ever fire with this flint and steel. I have another one that's older that I like. So that's my beautiful campfire that I made. So I'm gonna go find some twigs to put in it. I'll be right back. It looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. I also have a shout out to my friend Dr. David. So thanks for watching. Bye guys. See you next time.